All right, we got the Achelous pre-rinse spray valve. This is going to be great. It's going to be perfect for your commercial kitchen. So let's go ahead and just give you a quick unboxing experience really quick. And here is the spray valve. And as you can see, it comes in this nice padded vibe in here to keep it nice and protected. I'm going to set this off to the side. But this is the piece right here. As you can see, just looks great. There's how that's everything right here. It does everything from high pressure, like straight spray, or a mist spray. So this is gonna be great for any sort of food that is stuck on the plate or whatever it is. This is gonna get it right off. This is gonna be, I mean, this is so powerful, and it just effortlessly gets the job done. It's also anti-rust and anti-corrosion. It's just very easy to use, and it's definitely commercial grade. So straight up, dude, you have a commercial kitchen, a commercial sink. This is what you need. Highly recommend.